So the bottom line of the difference between structuralism and functionalism is the structuralist talked about the structure of mind, the structure of consciousness, while the functionalist talked about the function of mind, the function of consciousness. The structuralist talked about the method of introspection, while the functionalist talked about the method of investigation as longitudinal research. The structuralist talked about the ideas, they talked about the thinkings, they talked about the emotions, while the functionalist talked about the education, the educational psychology. There must be a different syllabus for the different children. So that was the basic difference between these. While the reliability and validity of structuralism was very much lower as compared to the functionalism, because the structuralism talked about the internal thinking of a person, and internal thinking is not measurable, so that is not basically valid or the reliable process, while the functionalism is comparatively reliable than the structuralism because it talked about the functionality of a person. For example, if there is a car, if a person who talked about the body of the car, the windows of the car, the steering of the car, the gears of the car, the dashboard of the car, the tires of the car, the rims of the car, that is the structure. That is the structural study. While how it is work, what is a function of the car? It travels. It does a 20 kilometer per liter fuel. It's average. That's a function. Its efficiency is a function. Okay, so that is basically the difference between the structuralism and the functionalism as far as the psychology is concerned. So the functionalist talked about the function, while the structuralist talked about the structure of the mind, the structure of the consciousness. I think you must be able to differentiate between these two after this lecture. I hope you understand this. If you have any query, if you have any question, you may talk or ask in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer you. And I hope you like my lecture. If you do like it, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos that I upload on daily basis. So goodbye till the next lecture.